Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to set notification ringtone on oppo mobile. Friends, you want to on and friends you want to set your notification ringtone sound. So how to on and use notification ringtone sound today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your oppo phone, so can scroll it. Friends, click on sound and vibration setting. After on sound and vibration friends, again scroll, and friends you want to set ringtone, you want to change your phone ringtone, so you can change from here. Friends, click on notification ringtone. Friends, which ringtone do you like guys? Select your notification ringtone sound and you can on and you can use. So guys, I will select this ringtone, and friends you can see this ringtone will set on our device, and friends we can increase this notification volume from here. Friends, you want to decrease left side friends you can decrease, and right side guys you can increase. So guys, your notification ringtone sound will set on your device and you can use it. And friends, again click on phone setting, and friends direct click on search option, and friends you can set your notification ringtone from here. Direct friends search your notification sound, and friends click on notification sound. Direct friends you can set your notification sound from here. Click here. Which sound do you like guys? You want to set, you want to change, so you can change. So guys, I will select this fun, and as you can see this ringtone sound will change. Notification ringtone sound will change. So like that friends, you can set and change your notification ringtone sound, and you can adjust your notification volume from here. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to set and change notification ringtone sound on oppo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.